Hello everyone. In this video I will guide everyone how to download Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 on a PC or laptop for everyone to play. First, everyone opens a browser. Next, everyone goes to the Steam homepage. I will put the website link in the video description below. When everyone clicks the link, it will open this page. Then, everyone selects Install Steam. Selects Install Steam. After downloading the Steam installer, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Everyone logs into their Steam account. Anyone who doesn't have a Steam account can create one. After logging into the Steam account, everyone will search for the game Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm for here. This is the game Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4. Everyone selects it. To download Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4, we need to purchase the game to download it. Everyone selects Add to Cart. Select View My Cart. Select Continue to Payment. Everyone will use a Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game, it will be in the Life Buy section. Everyone will see the game Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm for here. Then, everyone selects it. Select Install to begin downloading and installing the game on the computer. After the game is installed, everyone can play Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 on their computer.